Hello, this is Mr. Marvin. You and I will explore the Add-ons tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The ninth tab in Google Slides is the Add-ons tab. The Add-ons tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. Add-ons are apps that are incorporated with a Google app to enhance its functionality. An add-on is added onto a Google app like Google Slides, so you do not need to switch your browser in order to use an add-on app. From the Add-on tab, find the document add-ons that are available for you to launch. It also shows the add-ons that are already launched in the slides and are ready to use. Click on an existing add-on in order to open the app or get help in the use of the app. On the Add-ons tab, click the Get Add-ons to search for apps to launch. You can search for an app that can work with Google Slides to enhance its functionality. Choose the app. It informs you of the Google apps that it is compatible with. You can then click Install. From the Add-ons tab, click the Manage Add-ons to make changes to your add-ons. To find the installed add-on, you can manage the app by uninstalling or using it. Thank you very much for watching. Please write your comment, click subscribe, click like, and click share. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.